Hello, welcome. Let us understand why Java is called object-oriented programming language. Java is called object-oriented programming language because it organizes the code around the objects. Objects are like real life things which has properties or attributes and actions or behaviors. Let us understand this with an example. Consider a car as an object. This car have certain properties or attributes such as color, brand name, model, etc. Right? These are called properties or attributes. Similarly, this car also has certain functions. For example, you can start the car, you can accelerate the car, and you can apply a brake to stop the car. These are called actions or methods. This car object you can create using the car class. This class serves as a blueprint for the object. In Java programming, we will be using classes. Those classes will serve as a blueprint for creating the objects. Let us consider this car as an example and let us create a Java class for this. Provide the keyword class and the class name is car. Then you can define the properties or attributes of a car such as color, brand, model, etc. Right? And this class car class will also have a methods or actions that a car performs such as starting a car and accelerating the car and brake, that is stopping the car, right? This is a blueprint, and using this car class as a blueprint you can create an object. Here my car is an object of car class. This is the object name, right? This is the syntax that we will use for creating the object. We will study these things in detail in the later chapters of this course, but for now understand that Java is object oriented because programming in Java revolves around the object. Here you are using the object name and a property to assign this property name, property as a red, right? Brand name, you assign some brand name, and you can call the function using that object itself, right, to perform certain action. Since the programming in Java is organized around the objects, it is called object oriented programming language. The class will serve as a blueprint for creating the object, right? Thank you for watching.